Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The wait is finally over. Tap That Drop Season 1 Mega Airdrop claiming is now live. If you're holding a Proof of Tap NFT and want to know who's eligible, how to participate, how rewards are calculated, and what mistakes to avoid, this video will walk you through everything step by step. The Tap That Drop Season 1 Mega Airdrop is a reward distribution event by Decent, created exclusively for Proof of Tap NFT holders. If you complete all the required quests inside the Decent app within the given time, you'll be eligible to receive token rewards. Your final reward depends on your NFT tier and the token you choose. The participation period starts on December 29th at 9 a.m. UTC and ends on January 12th at 2:59 p.m. UTC. Rewards are scheduled to be fully distributed by January 20th UTC. Keep in mind that participation is only valid if every required step is completed within this time frame. Missing even one step will make your entry invalid. Only specific Proof of Tap NFT tiers are eligible for this mega airdrop. These include Infinite tier holders with 12 NFTs, Radiant tier holders with 10 to 11 NFTs, and Bright tier holders with 7 to 9 NFTs. Tiny and Shiny tiers are not eligible for this token distribution. Another very important rule is that only the wallet that originally received the NFT is eligible. If the NFT was transferred to you later, that wallet will not qualify, and no appeals will be accepted. To participate successfully, you must complete 2 steps inside the Decent app. First, you need to select your reward token. Visit the Mega Airdrop page and choose one token from the available list. This choice is final and cannot be changed later, so make sure you choose carefully. Each NFT tier has a different weight. Infinite has a weight of 3, Radiant has a weight of 2, and Bright has a weight of 1. These weights directly affect how large your reward share will be. The second step is to share your experience on X, also known as Twitter. You need to publish a post from your own public X account talking about your Tap That Drop Season 1 experience. After posting, submit the full link of that post on the event page. Your post must remain public and visible until rewards are fully distributed. If the post is deleted, hidden, or made private, your participation may be canceled. There is also a special bonus for the community. Decent will select 5 standout X posts based on quality and clarity, not engagement. If your post is selected, your tier weight will receive a 1.5 times boost. For example, an Infinite tier weight increases from 3 to 4.5, Radiant from 2 to 3, and Bright from 1 to 1.5. Rewards are distributed based on token pools, not fixed amounts. This means the final reward depends on how many participants choose the same token and the combined tier weights of those participants. If many users select the same token, the reward per person will be smaller. If fewer users choose a token, the reward per person may be larger. Even high-tier holders can receive smaller rewards if they select a very popular token, so token choice is extremely important. Each wallet can participate only once. Using multiple accounts, automated tools, or misleading posts can result in disqualification without notice. Token transfers may be delayed due to network congestion, and market price fluctuations can affect the value of rewards at the time of distribution. Failed transfers caused by user errors, such as incorrect addresses or lost wallets, will not be reprocessed. Looking ahead, Proof of Tap NFTs will continue to have utility beyond this mega airdrop. In 2026, all tiers, including Tiny and Shiny, can expect on-chain missions, priority participation opportunities, and additional airdrops and reward programs. That's everything you need to know about the Tap That Drop Season 1 Mega Airdrop. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your NFT tier in the comments. Good luck with your airdrop, and I'll see you in the next one.